The weather is so hot. So to deal with the hot weather, yesterday was 37 I think. So we're now using a blower. It's I think a 2 horsepower blower. It's big and pushes fresh air and the hot air out. Well, that's the idea. It's really so hot in the Philippines right now, so I'm helping the birds get through the summer, if you can say that. So we're here in the small bird area, and here are the hand feeds lay back because they had just their meal. So we're done with the small birds, the parakeet next, and I was just resting because of the super hot weather and I had to turn on the blower. So today I will be giving electrolyte from LDI, the one that they sponsored, because it's very hot. So I'm giving electrolyte in the morning, and then in the afternoon, after lunch, I change into fresh water. It's a good Friday today, so we're laid back, but I had to clean everything here at the aviary, Aviary. There are lots of dust, feathers, so I will clean later. Oh, and by the way, here are the January batch of the sun conure. And the flight cage, they're just chilling there. And the other long flight cage, there you go. Myko! You can see the gala. Oh, they're pair. Good birds. Oh, the sun conures are really loud. But it's okay. Best bird ever at the aviary. So plants need watering at this early. Later, after doing my chores inside, I will water them. And these are the paired gala. They're naturally paired. So I removed the other gala so that they can focus on their pairing more. I would like to thank Sean from Goa, India for helping me out with the identification of the paired breeders, because he was here at night. And oh, that's the hen. This is the male. Come on. So there, it's really hot now. As you can see, they're in the sun, but there's a portion of the cage that has no sun, so it's okay. So when they want sun, they just go to that area, and if they don't want sun, they stay away from the sunshine. It's a long cage, so they have their options. And you see the umbrellas, the bonded umbrellas. There. And over here, we have the cactus eating mango. It's a season of mango now, so they have a lot. I just dump them inside the cage, and if they don't want to touch it, it's okay. And if they're hungry, they will just bite, nibble, or just play with it. No problem. It's free. It's free. That's the nice thing about having parrot food that is free. You know how free it is? Well, there. Ouch! It's so free. It's just hanging there. And we have a lot. We have a lot. Wait, I see one. Wait, I'll show you how free are the fruits here. For the parrots, you don't need the perfect fruit. You just need the drop fruit. Will do. If it drops, it's okay. If it grows big, then I'll consume it. I have a new chicken. See? The sulfurs are eating the mango. Here, I'll give it to the lettuce. Kinda like excited, huh? Nah, they're not used to me. I don't go here often because they're in the mating season. So it's really hot. You can tell from the plants that we have here that it's really hot. So as an aviculturist, you have to check every day the conditions of your aviary. For today's schedule, I will be putting a line there for the sprinkler and at the flight also. Well, it depends if I'm in the mood today or I'll just, do a light work because it will be a hard work. I need to cut a bamboo pole, use it as a pole, and then I need to wire it, and then the water line will hang from the wire, cable, and then shower. It's a lot of work. Eric is on a holiday somewhere in a resort, so it's not available. So any friend out there who's available and is doing nothing, I'm here working. Well, it's not work. It's fun. I'm having fun. So this is it for now. I'll continue my work at the aviary. Paalam. Paalam.